In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets, so you can automatically sync data between your boards and spreadsheets without any manual copying and pasting. Whether you want new Google Sheets rows to create items in Monday, or you want changes in Monday to update your spreadsheet automatically, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. By the end of this video, your workflow will be fully connected and automated. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board that you want to connect to Google Sheets. This is important because integrations in Monday are set up at the board level. Once your board is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Integrate button. This is where all automation and third-party integrations are managed. After clicking Integrate, you'll see a list of available apps and services you can connect to. In the search bar, type in Google Sheets. When the Google Sheets integration appears, click on it to view the available automation recipes. Monday.com uses predefined automation templates called recipes. These recipes determine what triggers the action and what happens next. For example, you might see a recipe that says, when a new row is added to a Google Sheet, create an item. This means whenever someone adds a new row inside your spreadsheet, Monday will automatically create a new item in your board. Another common recipe is, when a column changes in an item, update row and sheet. This one works the other way around. When something changes inside Monday, it automatically updates your Google Sheet. Choose the recipe that matches your workflow. Don't worry, you can always edit or add more automations later. Once you select your preferred recipe, Monday.com will prompt you to connect your Google account. Click the Connect button and a Google sign-in window will appear. Log in using the Google account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to use. After signing in, Google will ask you to approve permissions. Review the access request, then click Allow to grant Monday permission to view and manage your Google Sheets. This step is required for the integration to work properly. After connecting your account, Monday will display your Google Drive files. You'll be able to browse all your spreadsheets directly within the integration setup window. Select the specific spreadsheet you want to connect. Then choose the correct worksheet or tab within that spreadsheet. This is important because many spreadsheets contain multiple tabs, and you want to make sure you're syncing the correct one. Next, you'll need to map the fields. This means matching columns in Google Sheets to columns in your Monday board. For example, you might map the name column in Monday to the first column in your spreadsheet, a status column to another spreadsheet column, and so on. Take your time here to ensure everything aligns correctly. Proper mapping ensures your data flows smoothly between both platforms. Once everything is configured, click Create Automation or Save, depending on what appears on your screen. Your integration is now live. To test it, try adding a new row to your Google Sheet or updating a column in Monday, depending on the recipe you selected. Within moments, you should see the data automatically sync between the two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Monday.com with Google Sheets. This automation can save you hours of manual work, reduce errors, and keep your team aligned with real-time data updates. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.